Hi guys, welcome to Guru Basava classes. Do subscribe the channel, tap the bell button to get latest notifications. Okay dear students, in this session I am going to discuss with you about previous year question paper, that is 2019-20 questions based on chapter number 8, that is introduction to trigonometry. Question paper is of series JBB bar 2, set 1 question paper 30 bar 2 bar 1. Yes, one more question from section A, that is 14th one. The value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 89 degree is equal to, okay, we have to find the value of the expression here. Solution: we observe that, yes, see here, if you consider first term and the last term, that may be written as 1 degree plus 89 degree, which is equals to 90 degree. If sum of the two angles is equals to 90 degree, then it is a complementary angle. Okay, with the help of complementary angles we will find the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, and so on, tan 89 degree. Okay, yes. Now if we consider 89 degree, then which is equals to 90 degree minus 1 degree. Okay, transpose 1 to RHS part. Similarly, second term, that is 2 degree plus preceding term of 89 degree, that is 88 degree, which is equals to 90 degree again. This may be written as 88 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 2 degree, and continue the process. Therefore, yes, now group the first term, that is tan 1 degree, and last term, that is tan 89 degree. Next, tan 2 degree, tan 88 degree, and so on. Okay, the last term will be tan 45 degree. Okay, yes, tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Okay, 89 degree may be written as 90 degree minus 1 degree. Therefore, tan 90 degree minus 1 degree. Okay, yes, tan 2 degree into tan 90 degree minus 2 degree, and so on, tan 45 degree. Okay, in next step, it is tan 1 degree, as it is I am writing tan of 90 degree minus 1 degree. Yes, we know that tan 90 degree minus theta is equals to cot theta. Okay, therefore 90 degree minus 1 degree, which is nothing but what? Cot 1 degree. Okay, next, tan 2 degree, tan 90 degree minus 2 degree, which is nothing but what? Cot 2 degree, and so on. Tan 45 degree, its value is 1. Tan 45 degree is equals to 1. Okay, yes. In next step, tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree, we know that tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Therefore, 1 into tan 2 degree into cot 2 degree, its value is also equals to 1. And next, that is tan 3 degree into cot 3 degree, its value is also 1, and so on. Last term value, its value is also 1. Therefore, 1 into 1 into 1 into so on, 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, and so on, tan 89 degree is equals to 1. One more question, 16th one. If sin A plus sin square A is equals to 1, then find the value of the expression cos square A plus cos to the power 4 A. Solution: yes, write down the given thing, that is sin A plus sin square A is equals to 1, yes, sin A is to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, transposed sin square A to RHS part here. Okay, yes, we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. That means cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, yes, sin A is equals to, substitute the value of 1 minus sin square A, that is cos square A. Okay, now we have to find the value of the expression cos square A plus cos to the power 4 A. Okay, yes, in place of cos square A, substitute its value, that is sin A plus cos to the power 4A, which is nothing but what? Sin square A. Yes, from given thing sin A plus sin square A, it is nothing but what? Which is equals to 1. Therefore the value of cos square A plus cos to the power 4A is equals to 1. Yes, we'll move to next question, that is from section B, 23rd question. Prove that 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha is equals to cosec alpha. Solution: consider LHS part, that is 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. Okay, with the help of identities, that is 1 plus cot square alpha is equals to cosec square alpha. Therefore cot square alpha is equals to cosec square alpha minus 1. Put the value of cot square alpha here, that is 1 plus cosec square alpha minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. In the next step, 1 plus, yes, cosec square alpha minus 1 square, it is nothing but what? Cosec alpha plus 1 into cosec alpha minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. Okay, yes, 1 plus cosec alpha and 1 plus cosec alpha will get cancelled. We left with 1 plus cosec alpha minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, which is equals to cosec alpha. This is nothing but what? RHS part. Hence proved. Or show that tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Solution: consider LHS part, that is tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Okay, yes, now we will take out tan square theta common. What we left inside is here tan square theta plus 1. With the help of identities, yes, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Therefore tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. This is equals to, substitute the value of tan square theta, that is sec square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1, it is nothing but what? Sec square theta. Multiply sec square theta with sec square theta, then multiply sec square theta with minus 1. Yes, what we will get, see here, sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta, which is RHS. Section C, which carries a 3 marks question, 33rd question. That is, if sin theta plus cos theta is equals to root 2, prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2. Yes, solution. Given thing, sin theta plus cos theta is equals to root 2. Now squaring on both side of LHS and RHS. Yes, what we will get, see here, sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equals to root 2 whole square. Yes, this implies it is of the form a plus b whole square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is equals to 2. Why? Because under root 2 or square root 2 whole square, which can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole raised to 2. 2 will get cancelled, we left with only 2 here. Okay, yes. In the next step, 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equals to 2. Transpose 1 to RHS part. This implies 2 sin theta into cos theta is equals to 2 minus 1. Yes, this implies 2 sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1. Now transpose 2 to RHS part. What we will get, see here, sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, we have to prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2 here. Okay, therefore tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta may be written as sin theta divided by cos theta, plus cot theta may be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, yes, by cross multiplication, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but what, 1. Why? Because by trigonometric identity, that is, substitute the value of sin theta into cos theta, that is numerator 1, sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Yes, 2 goes to numerator, which is equals to 2. Therefore tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2.